Get ultimate control with Brady's group lockout tools, with options for every size job. Simplify complex lockout situations with the 26 group lockbox. With the chops to handle more than 24 authorized users, this lockbox identifies everyone from first on to last off. When mobility is key, the SlimView group lockbox provides security in a compact footprint. Its innovative design allows padlocks to hang straight and out of the way. Grab it off the wall and take it to where the work happens. Need to bring contractors into your facility? Contrasting red and yellow boxes allow you to easily and quickly identify worker groups. Lock on the contractor box and expand your protected project team. And put important documentation front and center with permit display cases. Unlike the rest, our cases protect against the toughest environments, fit all the checklists and forms you need, and quickly release to go along with you. Centralized safety you can see. That's Group Lockout from Brady.